In this video, we are going to talk about 10 side hustle ideas to earn money. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel and ring the bell for our future updates. Money. Who wouldn't benefit from a little more of it? A little extra money may go a long way, whether you're saving for a down payment, planning a wedding, attempting to pay off debt, will those student loans ever go away? Or putting money aside for a rainy day. Your day work may be able to assist you in meeting your financial obligations. A side hustle from home, on the other hand, is the game changer that will put money in your pocket while providing you the independence you've always desired. So, here are some of the top side hustle ideas to help you earn more money. Number 10. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a great side hustle idea. It allows you to sell directly to consumers without purchasing inventory. What makes it unique? It doesn't take much to reduce your risk. The manufacturer not only retains stock, but also ships it directly to the consumer. Marketing and customer service are the lifeblood of any organization. This is the side hustle for you if you are good at marketing and want to use your skills. It's one of the few side jobs that lets you actually be an entrepreneur. You will be able to run your own business. Dropshipping allows you to start a business in any of your hobbies. Do you like to stock your kitchen? You may sell kitchen equipment online. Maybe you've seen this unique solar-powered smartphone cooling solution. Create your own one-product store using these store ideas. If you enjoy makeup, make money by selling cosmetics and luring customers to your cosmetic classes. Dropshipping can be used for practically any niche. Also, if you're creative, you can come up with innovative business ideas. After all, as the owner of your own business, you'll always have the final say, making this a great side hustle. Number 9. Working as a freelancer. Does your 9-to-5 income fluctuate? If you don't have a regular salary, you may need more money some months than others. Then you should consider working as a freelancer. These could be Fiverr gigs or Upwork freelance projects. You could be developing t-shirt mock-ups for a client one week and helping them grow their social media following the next. Your projects may be quite diverse. This side business may be excellent for you if you appreciate diversity and change. How much money can a side hustler make? Depending on your side hustles and the site you use, you could make $50 to $2,000 every month. Freelance writing, for example, can help you earn an extra $1,000 each month. To be a successful freelancer, you must charge clients for the value you deliver. Most freelancers undercharge, leading to exhaustion and insufficient income. Number 8. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a lucrative long-term side employment. But, before you can start making money with affiliate marketing, you must first study. Finding the proper products to sell is important, but so is collaborating with the right brand. Affiliate marketing for e-commerce companies rather than dropshipping them yourself will almost probably diminish your commission. However, some computer businesses will pay substantial commissions to affiliates who bring them new customers. How much money can a side hustler make? It depends on the goods and the affiliate network. For example, referring a merchant to a software company like Shopify may earn you an extra $58. Just 5 suggestions might get you over $500. Sweet. Number 7. Start a print-on-demand, or POD, store. Your own print-on-demand store could be a great side income if you enjoy generating custom graphics and artwork. Sell your custom artwork on t-shirts, phone covers, and mugs with print-on-demand, or POD. The best part is that you may create and sell your own stuff. Dropshipping your print-on-demand products can completely automate your business's logistics. Create products, add them to your store, market them, and take orders. It prints your artwork on the products and ships them directly to the buyer. How much profit can you expect from selling POD items? That depends on how well your designs are appreciated and how hard you work to promote your collection. With a little work, you may earn an extra $2,000 every month. If you're ready to get started, read our guide to starting an online t-shirt business. Number 6. Start blogging. Blogging is a terrific side hustle business that can be done from anywhere. Owning an asset allows you to develop a personal brand. You can also write about your interests. You can connect with people who share your interests by starting a blog in a niche. Popular subjects for part-time blogs include yoga, business, beauty, and cars. Making money blogging involves adding affiliate links or referring to an internet store that sells dropshipped products. How much money can a side hustle like this make? You'll start with nothing. Some bloggers who persevered for a few years made enough money to quit their day jobs and focus only on blogging. Number 5. Sell information products. Selling information products may be the appropriate side job for you if you need extra income. You'll need to do some research, work hard, and be good at marketing to thrive at this side hustle. Do you have extensive knowledge of any current hot topics? Have you uncovered a hot topic that lacks information? Consider monetizing opportunities for content. You can start making money by selling books or courses on Amazon. How much profit can you make offering information products? It depends on the niche, how successfully you advertise, and other factors. However, a side hustle like this can bring in several $1,000s monthly. The objective is to create content, ebooks, courses, etc., that generates recurring revenue. Number 4. Becoming an influencer. When young, most people wish to be famous. But not everyone can sing or act. Luckily, you can still build a personal brand around your skills. Maybe you're a fashionista or a pastry master. Anyone can become an Instagram influencer. It's alright not to like the spotlight. Instagram can help you gain a following for your pets or images. Insta takeovers and selling products on your website are all ways to monetize Instagram. Can an influencer make money as a side hustle? Influencers typically charge $200 to $400 each post. Look into influencer rates based on your audience size. Number 3. Becoming a virtual assistant. The most successful side hustles are in high demand. A virtual assistant works from the comfort of their own home rather than from an office. They can assist with administrative tasks, social media management, and bookkeeping. Virtual assistants are widely used by business owners who require assistance with a variety of duties. A virtual assistant may be skilled in a number of different areas. Thousands of businesses around the world rely on virtual assistants to help them expand and manage their brands. How much money can a VA make? Because most virtual assistants sell their time for money, your weekly work hours may be limited. You can establish a monthly income cap or be paid hourly. Some make minimal pay while others make up to $35 per hour. Number 2. Sell photography. If you have a camera and some basic Photoshop abilities, photography can be a lucrative side business. Your photographs of your city may be published in local media such as a newspaper or a blog if you appreciate taking pictures of your surroundings. Using websites such as Phope, you may sell your photographs on their site and earn money for each photograph that sells. In the event that you do not wish to sell your photographs, you can use them to decorate items such as canvases, t-shirts, and phone covers in order to earn even more money. Additionally, if that isn't enough, you can look for clients to work with on projects such as weddings, pet pictures, and product photography. In what range of earnings can you anticipate to get work as a photographer? If you sell your photographs online, you could earn an additional couple hundred to several $1,000s every month. If you decide to pursue a career in wedding photography, you could earn a couple $1,000s or more every event. In this industry, working as a weekend photographer or teaching courses in your spare time are both viable second occupations. Number 1. Get a part-time job. If you prefer to exchange time for money, you could look for part-time employment. Dog walking, babysitting, serving in a restaurant, working as a receptionist, administrative assistant, or barista are all examples of side activities that provide income. On the internet, you can also look for part-time work in your field of expertise. Suppose you're a full-time marketer who also happens to be involved in social media. The only drawback to working part-time is that you must exchange your time for money in order to make ends meet. Can you tell me how much money you can expect to make from your part-time job? The majority of part-time jobs are equivalent to the minimum wage or slightly higher. It's possible to find some higher-paying side hustles if you look around a little. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please let us know in the comments area below. Thank you for being with us. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell before leaving. Thank you for watching How to Make Money Top 10 video channel.